So Dalton proposed atomic theory. First he said an element is composed of tiny, indivisible, indestructible, particles called atoms. So that's the first thing he defined atoms. Then he said all atoms of an element are identical and have okay, hold on, it's okay, have the same properties. Same properties. What that means? For example, let's say we have piece of aluminum. So when we take out one particle from the aluminum and we try to find out the properties of that atom, and we take out another particle, another atom of that aluminum, we find out the properties. Both are what? Similar. Right? Because they are from that particular element. Right? So we take out the aluminum, one element, and one atom of that element, and other atom of the element. Their properties are same. Alright, they are identical. Now let's say if we have atoms of different element, then properties are different, right? But let's see third one, what he proposed. Atoms of different elements combine to form compounds. For example, H2O. So hydrogen and oxygen, two different elements combined, they form compound. Fourth one, compounds contain atoms in small whole number ratio. Ratios. So whenever it's H2O, the whole number 2 to 1 ratio, right? Whole number, that means you can have not like 2.1 to 1.3, not decimal, but it's a whole number, 2 to 1, right? So that's the whole number ratio. And fifth one, atoms can combine in than one ratio, more than one ratio to form different compounds. Different compounds. For example, we just discussed about it. For example, CO2 and CO. This is the 1:2 ratio between carbon and oxygen, and this is 1:1 ratio between carbon and oxygen. So if ratio changes, then you form different compound, right? That's his atomic theory. So Dalton was the important, he proposed 5 steps of his theory, and we still follow him.